Hi, I'm Harbhajan Singh and you're watching me on Asian Paints where the heart is. Welcome to my home.
This room where we're sitting right now is one of my favorite rooms. It's very warm, it's very cozy. We've got little splashes of color. Because of the flooring with white, we chose beige and browns will look nicer here. But we needed to add some color, which we've got some
Teal color.
seatings, and then we've got some splashes of color on the painting. Less is more. That is what I believe. I don't like to accessorize too much. I like it very bare minimum. And I feel that's very important when you're making a house, that it should be a reflection of your own personality in every space. It's your little haven.
If you are inspired by our home decor,
Then go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints for a lovely style guide.